Hi, and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about a rather specific topic, VPNs that have servers in the UAE. Because yes, most providers simply don't have servers in the UAE. But there are still a few exceptions. Two providers, in particular, make it possible to get an Emirati IP address. The first VPN I want to talk about is ExpressVPN. This provider indeed has servers in the UAE. That means when you connect, your traffic is virtually routed through that country. An important point, these are physical servers actually located in the UAE. When you connect, they assign you a real Emirati IP address tied to hardware installed in the country. In short, you benefit from a genuine local IP and your traffic truly passes through the UAE, which ensures a higher level of legitimacy and reliability than what virtual servers offer. This is especially useful if you want to access local content, such as Emirati TV channels, streaming platforms, banking websites, or to test marketing campaigns. However, keep in mind that these servers may still be subject to certain Emirati regulations, so if your goal is absolute privacy, this might not be the best option. But for purely functional use, it works perfectly well. Let's try it out. As you can see on this page, my current IP address ends in .136 and shows that I'm in France. I'm launching ExpressVPN. I click on the UAE. Then on this button, it's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. There, I'm now virtually connected to the internet from the UAE. I refresh this page, and as you can see, my IP address has changed. It now ends with .66 and shows that I'm in Abu Dhabi. And that's how you can get an Emirati IP address with ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is a safe, reliable and fast VPN with thousands of servers in 105 countries, including the UAE, but also Turkey, the UK, France, Germany, the US, Canada, and many more. It's available on all devices and operating systems, Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, Android TV, Apple TV, and even certain gaming consoles. ExpressVPN also offers several advanced features, such as an automatic kill switch, which cuts your internet connection if the VPN disconnects, preventing any data leaks, as well as split tunneling, which lets you choose which apps go through the VPN. It has a strict no-logs policy, meaning your online activity is not monitored, recorded, or shared. To try ExpressVPN, go to vpn-club.com/express or click the link below this video. As you can see, ExpressVPN costs only $2.79 per month, cheaper than a cup of coffee. That's just 9 cents per day, a tiny price for all the features and security it provides. Note that ExpressVPN offers a 30-day trial period in the form of a money-back guarantee, so you can try it for several weeks, risk-free, and get a refund if you're not completely satisfied. The second VPN I want to tell you about is NordVPN. This provider offers physical servers located directly in the UAE, allowing you to get a genuine Emirati IP address. Unlike some other VPNs that rely on virtual servers, NordVPN's infrastructure in the UAE ensures faster, more stable connections and lower latency for users who want to access local content or services. NordVPN is known for its reliability, transparency, and strong commitment to privacy. It has over 8,000 servers in 126 countries, including the UAE, but also Turkey, the UK, France, Germany, the US, Canada, and many more. It's compatible with Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, iOS, Android TV, Apple TV, and many other platforms. NordVPN also includes advanced features such as a kill switch, split tunneling, and double VPN, which routes your traffic through two servers for enhanced security. Like ExpressVPN, it enforces a strict no-logs policy, and its headquarters are based in Panama, a country known for strong privacy protection laws. To try it out, go to vpn-club.com/nord or click the link below this video. NordVPN costs only $2.99 per month, or about 10 cents per day. It also offers a 30-day trial period in the form of a money-back guarantee, so you can try it for several weeks, risk-free, and get a refund if you're not satisfied. So, in what cases is it useful to have an Emirati IP address? Honestly, for most users, it's not particularly necessary. But if you want to access Emirati services from abroad, like local streaming platforms, TV channels, banking websites, or apps restricted to Emirati territory, it can be very practical. Likewise, if you work in marketing, SEO, or data analysis, having an Emirati IP address lets you test a website's local display, check keyword rankings, or analyze ad campaigns as they appear to Emirati users. So it's a useful tool for professionals, as well as for curious users who simply want to see the internet from an Emirati perspective. On the other hand, if your goal is to bypass censorship, protect your communications, or ensure maximum privacy, it's better to connect to a server in another country, such as the UK or France. These locations generally offer excellent connection speeds while keeping you geographically close to the UAE for good performance. You'll avoid the risks of Emirati regulations while enjoying a secure and stable connection. There you have it. Now you know which VPNs offer servers in the UAE and in which situations it can be useful to connect to them. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I'll answer as soon as possible. And if you like this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss anything. Thank you and see you soon on VPN Club.